Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the home screen. For this, simply go to settings and here you can see the option home screen. Just tap on this one. So here we can customize our home screen. So here we can adjust the app size, labels and grid layout like that. So let me show you. If you want to view the app labels on the home screen, then you need to turn on this one. So here you can see the app labels on the home screen. You can see here, right? So if you want to disable, just turn off this one. Now again go to the home screen. You can set all the app labels are hidden from the home screen. And here you can adjust the home app size on the home screen and app screen. This is the smallest app size and this is the largest app size. Here you can see the small change. Okay, so and according to your choice you can adjust the size. And here you can see the option app home screen layout. If you tap on this one, you can see two options. If you want to view the applications in the app screen and also on the home screen, then you need to select the first option, home and app screen. If you want to view the applications all on in the home screen, then you need to select the second option, and after this one tap on apply. Okay, and here you can see some sizes, home screen layout. If you tap on this one, and here you can see the option home screen grid. Tap on this one. Now this is 4:6, and if there is one more option is there, 5:6. According to your choice, you can select any one from here. Here you can see the option app screen grid. This is for the app screen. 4:6 is available and 5:6 is also available. Okay, and here you can see this is for the folder grid. If you tap on this one, there is 3:4 and 4:4 option is available. So according to your choice, you can customize your home screen here. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.